This video is intended to help you understand how we report academic standards for students in Year 7, Year 8 and Year 9. The report is designed to offer a snapshot of student performance by presenting the headline information on a single page, in a clear, easy-to-understand format. We report the academic standards in the columns furthest right, shown here. We'll start by looking at the column furthest right. This is the individual performance goal, which is where we aim for the student to be at the end of the academic year. The performance goal is graded on a scale of 9 to 1, with 9 being the highest. The numbers correspond to the scales used for GCSE, and they give a broad indication of how an individual might perform in the future. The number assigned for each subject is determined by the outcome of the mid-years CEM test that students take at the start of Year 7. We add 1 grade to the baseline number so that these goals are ambitious, but we believe our students have the potential to achieve them. So, what do the performance goals actually mean? The most important thing to remember here is that the performance goal is not a prediction of the future, it is just a broad indication, based on the current starting point. Alongside the report, we will issue CEM chances graphs, just like the example shown here. These are individualized for each student and each subject. The chances graphs show the probability of them achieving a range of possible outcomes. Using this example, with a performance goal 7, we can see there is a 22% chance of them achieving a 7, but there is also a 39% chance of them achieving in the range 7 to 9, and equally, there is 39% chance of achieving a grade 5 or below. Each year the level of challenge in the performance goal steps up. In this example, a step 7 in Year 7 becomes more challenging and requires deeper learning in Year 8, and again in Year 9. The challenge for the student is to hold on to their performance goal as the level of challenge increases each year. There are many things that can happen between now and completing GCSE exams that can influence future performance. For example, the effort and dedication an individual commits to their learning. Next, we will explain the academic performance indicators. Here we see a comment from each subject teacher. This is their best judgment on whether individuals are on track to achieve the performance goal by the end of the academic year. There are 3 indicators that the teacher may use to comment on their learning journey. These are exceeding, which means there is strong evidence that they are on a path to performing beyond their goal at the end of the year. Meeting. Maintaining this level of performance in all subjects throughout KeyStage 3 means an individual has shown strong and steady progress. This is a level of performance we expect from students. Developing towards, this means your teacher has identified additional next steps or areas for you to focus on, to make the shift towards meeting expectation. The academic performance indicators are projected assessments. They are based on the teacher's holistic professional judgment on where they believe each student will be at the end of the academic year. Teachers use a progress map to help them with this. Progress maps are an in-class assessment tool that describes the learning journey from Year 7 through to Year 9. There will be a separate video to explain this in more detail. We hope this video has helped you understand how we report, and how we let you know if your child is on track to reach their goal and the required standard. If you have further questions about your child's report, please speak directly with the subject teacher. They will be happy to help you.